Are you looking for a quick weekend break away from the busy city life and to spend some time closer to nature? Well, Khanvel Resort in Silvassa is a perfect place for a quick weekend getaway. The resort offers a lot of activities like play park, swimming pool, luxury lounge, and a lot more. Also, the resort is filled with lush greenery and nature. The Khanvel Resort Silvassa is just a 3-hour drive from Mumbai. Now let's take a tour of the Khanvel Resort in Silvassa. The resort has a huge entrance and ample parking space. Well, we were greeted with a refreshing welcome drink in the reception. Also, the service at the reception was quite prompt and we were allotted the keys to the room quickly. Well, if you have still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, like and share the video and hit the notification bell icon to get some interesting updates here. Well, before taking you to the room tour, let's stroll around the resort and see what amenities the resort has to offer. Let's check out the swimming pool. The swimming pool is located in a huge and spacious area behind the resort. Well, the swimming pool also is very big. Well, you can also have a good time having some tea at the poolside here. Well, I have also written a detailed blog post about the resort on my website www.travelclever.co.in. Also, you will find a detailed itinerary about Silvassa on my website regarding the places to visit in Silvassa, resorts, and a lot more. Please do check out the article on my website. Well, the resort has a lot of trees and plants planted all around. You can also see some beautiful and colorful flowers grown on the plants, which is very beautiful. The resort is so huge that you can take long nature walks in the resort itself. It is very refreshing to be amid lush greenery and nature inside the resort. Also, do follow me on Facebook and Instagram at the Travel Clever to get recent updates about my trips. Now let's check out the play park for kids. The play park is huge enough with lot of slides, swings. Kids can play around easily and it is very nice to spend some time here. Also, they have chairs placed beside to sit while your kids are playing and enjoying in the play park. So you can check out the colorful slides here. Kids can have a good time playing around here in the play park. So this is the area where you can play badminton or tennis. This place is also huge again. Well, the resort also had some indoor games like carom board to play with. You can sit here and enjoy playing the games with your friends and family. So they also have chess, a lot of indoor games. This is the table tennis. The resort also had some electronic games or rides to play with for kids. but these were not operational during our visit. Now let's check out their luxury lounge. Well, this lounge was beautifully built with colorful seats and had modern interiors all over the place. You can relax and chill around with your friends and family in the lounge. They also had some board games to play in the lounge. There were many games in the lounge area too to play with. The resort also had a lot of categories of room. There were many rooms in the resort. They also had some cottages and also there were some rooms located near the river. So they also had a spa facility inside the resort. So this is the spa facility they had to offer. So there were many spots in the resort with some decor. So you could click good photographs and selfies in this area. I also like this outdoor chess idea. Everything was maintained well and was clean enough. Now let's go around the resort. Again, these were some areas where you could click photographs and selfies. Also, do not forget to log into my website for a detailed itinerary of Silvassa, like places to visit, resorts in Silvassa, on travelclever.co.in. Well, the resort also has a huge open space and also banquets to arrange for wedding ceremonies and occasions. So this is a huge lawn area. Well, the property is very huge and spacious. The lawn area is maintained well and is also surrounded with lot of trees. So these are some cottages which are located amid a lot of trees and nature. Well, you can also feel some privacy with your family in these cottages as it is located inside the resort and they are independently built. So the cottages have a sitting area outside the rooms. You can sit here and enjoy your coffee looking at the view. You can also sit here inside these shades and enjoy with your family. Well, this was an enjoyable nature walk surrounded with lot of trees which gave a lot of peace. You can enjoy the greenery around. Well, you can just spend the whole day here inside the resort. It is so huge and vast and you can enjoy the greenery and nature around. So this was a small river near the resort. They also had some rooms facing the river here. They also had some benches and swings placed facing the river to sit around and enjoy the view of the nature. Well, a lot of greenery again near these rooms. Well, we had stayed in a room with two queen beds in the resort. I will take you to the room tour of the resort which we had stayed in. The rooms were also very spacious and they had enough space to accommodate our luggages, and you can stay here with your family very comfortably. So they had a wardrobe to keep your clothes. Also, there were two queen beds inside the room. The rooms were also very clean and well maintained. So you can keep your luggage in this space. So, and here they have a mini refrigerator if you want to store something in refrigerator. So this is the television set. Again, this is a table and chair where you can work or study. So we had a garden view room. I'll show you the view later. So they had also kept a steam machine. Well, it's the first time I had seen a steam machine in a hotel room. Now let's check out the balcony. Well, the balcony was very huge here, and you can just sit around in the balcony and enjoy the garden view and have some tea here. Also, the garden view is very good. You can spend your evening gazing at the lush greenery outside the balcony. We'll have a look at the view outside the room. There is a huge lawn area outside the room. So let's see the other facilities which are offered inside the room. So they have kept the steam machine as I mentioned earlier. Also they had a tea kettle, mugs, tea, coffee, cream. You can make your tea anytime inside the room itself. So these are some coffee and tea sachets. There were also sugar packets and cream packets. You can easily make your tea and coffee inside the room. So let's check out the bathroom. So they had given the basic toiletries like soap. They also had a shower area. Now let's see what food they had to offer. Well, we had booked the rooms directly with the resorts. They had offered us a great deal which had rooms which were inclusive of lunch, breakfast, high tea and dinner. All the meals were served in a buffet. So the meals were served in the Emerald restaurant inside the resort. Well, I must say they had a huge variety of options for meals to offer to. Also the meals were served hot and fresh. We liked the food they had served us. They had a lot of food options. The sabzis like aloo methi. So this is Begum Bahar. Again, this is Paneer Kandhari. This is steamed rice. Dal tadka. Veg pulao. Kadhi pakodi. Monthal. For desserts. So they made fresh fulka rotis here. So this is how the chef was making fresh fulkas. You can apply ghee or butter on the fulkas and have it. It was really good to see so many fulkas in a row to be prepared like this. The fulkas were cooked and served hot. So this was a lunch buffet meal during our stay. Again for dinner they had a lot of variety like pav bhaji, dosa. Also for breakfast we had poha, parathas, idlis and a lot of food options were there. Overall I enjoyed my stay at the Khanvel Resort Silvassa. We enjoyed all the amenities and facilities like the luxury lounge, the play park for children, swimming pool. Also, it was a good weekend getaway to spend time amid nature and lush greenery. The rooms too were comfortable to stay and the food was delicious. Well, if you have enjoyed seeing the video, please do subscribe my channel and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.